Good morning, all. Welcome to the pre-market report of June 2nd. I'm Binu from Acumen Capital. Today, the world markets are trading down. Almost all Asian markets are trading down right now. Hang Seng down by 1.5%. Singapore Nifty is indicating an 85 points cut at the opening. Now there is an economic hurricane warning from JP Morgan CEO. So a hurricane means lot of damage, destruction to the global economy. Say the latest data from US economy is strong, very strong, which indicates that now the investors are fearing there may not be any slowdown in rate hike by the US Fed. So the investors' concerns over tighter monetary policy is increasing day by day. US economy is still running very hot. The latest economic data, that is US manufacturing PMI, came at 56.1 yesterday, comparing to 55.4% in the previous month. So faster than expected manufacturing data, which indicates more and more demand for manufacturing products, which itself shows that US economy is strong. Now another data, that is the new job opening data in April, that data was down, but it is higher than the average data, which shows that say the job market is continuing to be strong and the inflation will remain high only. Now the third problem for the market was that the San Francisco Fed member, Mary Daly, she said that she will support aggressive rate hikes in the coming months till inflation cools down. So this is in line with the comment from Christopher Waller the day before. So Fed members also are showing aggressive rate hikes. So Dow Jones yesterday was down by 0.54%. S&P and Nasdaq both are down by more than 0.7% yesterday. Now another important factor to watch, the oil prices. Yesterday again oil prices cooled down to less than $115 per barrel. Today the crucial OPEC plus meeting is there, and the OPEC plus members indicate that they did not discuss the idea about suspending Russia from crude oil supply deal. So most probably today and tomorrow oil prices may highly fluctuate based on the decision which comes out from this OPEC plus meeting. Now coming back to our market, say nowadays the economic data which is coming from Indian economy also very strong. The high frequency indicators in May shows a pickup in the economy. The GST collections was above 1.4 lakh crore for the third consecutive month. Now manufacturing PMI, which came yesterday, shows that the data is 54.6. So that reading also gives a positive indication about the economy. Auto sales in May also indicate very strong demand for autos, especially passenger vehicles and commercial vehicles. Now the railway freight data shows a 15% increase in last month. The exports of the country up by 21% in May. Now the core sector data also shows 8.4% growth, which is a 6-month high level. So all economic data is showing positive numbers. So that's about Indian economy. Now the banks are slowly hiking the rates. So most of the EMIs may go up from right now. So yesterday PNB, ICICI, HDFC Bank, all these banks increased the rates. Regarding stock specific news, so today uh, the insurance companies may be in focus, especially general insurance companies like Star Health, ICICI Lombard, etc. Because the IRDA has allowed general insurance companies to introduce new products without seeking the permission from IRDA. So this is a major reform. So this has been a long-standing demand from the insurance industry. Now, insurance companies have the flexibility to introduce new products without waiting for the IRDA approval because it takes a lot of time. So, positive for insurance companies, especially general insurance companies. Wellspun Corp got an order from Saudi Arabia worth 1013 crore. Now, yesterday and day before, Adani, some of the Adani Group stocks showed a downtrend. Uh, it is because of some changes in MSCI India index. Now, Adani Green's weightage in MSCI India index may come down. So that is why some of the Adani Group stocks showed downtrend. Auto stocks will be in focus again today because yesterday after market hours, some of these companies reported monthly numbers. Eicher Motors on the positive side because in May they have reported a 133% increase in their vehicle sales, two-wheeler sales comparing to last year. But on the other side, Hero Motors numbers were disappointing. Hero Motors sold 4.86 lakh unit. The estimate was somewhere around 5.2 lakh unit. So Hero Motors may disappoint. But passenger vehicle companies like Maruti Suzuki, Tata Motors, these companies reported very strong numbers. So auto stocks will be on focus today again. Now regarding Nifty, you can see that the market after this correction last 2-3 days trying to move above its 38% retracement level. So that level is somewhere around 16,650 level. So Nifty is unable to cross and close above this crucial level. So that is the 38% retracement of this fall. So right now this is an important level for the short term. If Nifty can close above 16,653, then it can continue the upside journey. So next medium term resistance comes at 17,200. But before that, this closing is important. For intraday, today anyway market may open down, but the volatility may continue because weekly F&O settlement is there. So after the opening, say 16,522 may act as the critical level for the day. So if market continue to trade below that level, the intraday momentum may be on the downside. So the first important support is at 16,414, and a break below this can lead to levels like 16,338 on the downside, which may act as a support. But the major support is at 16,303 level. Right now, Dow futures also indicating a downside. So we have to watch out how Asian markets are trading. Right now, all Asian markets are trading down only. So 16,303 is an important level on the downside. Below that, 16,240 will act as the support. However, due to the volatility, if market sustains above 16,522, Then the first minor resistance comes at 16,540 level, but the higher resistance are at 16,573, 16,657 levels. This is an educational video. Thank you for watching.